The Ford Edge 2, 2015 to 2020, uses Traction Control System, TCS, and Electronic Stability Control, ESC, termed slip control by Ford, to enhance safety and handling. These systems prevent wheel slippage and loss of control, especially in challenging conditions. By default, TCS and ESC are factory-enabled and function automatically. To turn TCS ESC off or back on, locate the TCS off button on the dashboard. This is usually near the gear shifter. The button is circular and marked with a car icon and skid marks. When disabled, you'll see a warning message on the dashboard display. The button is the sole method for disabling the system. There are no digital or app controls for this model. To disable TCS and ESC, press and hold the TCS off button for about 2 to 3 seconds. An indicator light on the instrument cluster will illuminate, confirming that the system is off. Note that disabling TCS also disables ESC, as they are linked in the Ford Edge 2 system. To re-enable TCS and ESC in the Ford Edge 2, simply press the TCS off button again. The indicator light on the instrument cluster will turn off, showing that the systems are now active. Always ensure TCS and ESC are enabled for optimal safety during normal driving conditions. Traction Control System prevents wheel spin during acceleration by applying brakes to slipping wheels and reducing engine power, helping maintain grip on the road. Electronic Stability Control monitors vehicle dynamics using sensors and intervenes to prevent skidding or rollover by selectively braking individual wheels and adjusting engine throttle, keeping the vehicle on its intended path. Together, TCS and ESC work seamlessly to maintain vehicle stability, significantly enhancing safety and control in various driving conditions. Disabling Traction Control System and Electronic Stability Control can significantly increase the risk of accidents, particularly in challenging driving conditions like wet roads, ice, or slippery surfaces. Ford strongly recommends keeping these safety systems enabled at all times for optimal vehicle safety and control. These systems should only be disabled in very specific situations where controlled wheel spin is needed to gain traction, such as when stuck in deep snow. The future of TCS ESC technology involves integration into advanced vehicle dynamics control systems, combining with regenerative braking and AI-driven adjustments. Manual toggles are becoming less common, with automatic re-engagement and data-driven safety prioritizing stability over driver choice.